Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. While launching the Steam is not launching, although it is showing right in this device manager. So to fix out this issue, click on the details tab and type in Steam over here. You need to close the Steam right from the task manager in the first step. So right click and choose option and process tree. After closing all the processes of the Steam, close the task manager. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Now right over here, you need to type in a command. I'll share this command right in the description of this video. Copy it and paste right in the CMD by pressing the Ctrl+V key and then hit the enter key. This will go ahead and repair the Steam for you. Once the Steam or the repair is completed, relaunch the Steam and hopefully this will fix out the issue. One more thing friends, while entering this command, make sure if you have installed the Steam in some other drive, you need to replace this particular path. After replacing the path, paste right in the CMD, and once it is completed, restart the Steam and hopefully this will fix out the issue. Although if this step failed to fix out, in next step I have a simple tip for you. Simply you need to unplug your controller from your system. Unplug your controller or any input device other than your mouse or keyboard and then relaunch the Steam. This will definitely launch the Steam, and once the Steam is launched, you can again plug in your controller or any other input device right into your system. So this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates for my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.